Hello friends, welcome to Reader Hub. Today we'll discuss lecture 3 of a polity main question series. Okay, this is will help all like competitive exam like UPSC, STAT, PCS, OPSC, OWSC, OSSC, SSC, CG, whatever it may be. Okay, uh, today's point is motivation. The point is focus. Always focus your focus on your goal. Okay, in this distraction is you will easily distracted by anything, okay, whatever it may be. So try to focus. Okay, focus is more very important in this scenario. Okay, we have if we use mobile phone, if we read some books, if I, I have searched from some words in Google. Okay, after Google I will check, I will just roaming the YouTube channel. Okay, after that my time is 1 hour 2 hour is gone. I could not find what happened. Okay, like that. At last you could not find out what happening. Okay, so that is a lack of focus on your goal. Okay, so be focused. Okay, then learn to focus. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the first question. Under Article 360 of the Constitution, the power to proclaim financial emergency is vested under option A, Minister of Finance, option B, Parliament, option C, President, option D, CAG. Okay, answer is option C, that is President. Okay, okay. Here I have written some points. Okay, Article 360 empowers the President to proclaim a financial emergency if he is satisfied that a situation has arisen due to which the financial stability and credit of India or any part of its territory is threatened. Means if Article 360 says that President has the power to proclaim a financial emergency according to satisfy. But in 38th Amendment Act 1975, satisfaction of President is in declaring a financial emergency final and conclusive and not questionable in any court of any ground. Okay, in 30th Amendment Act 1975, there is more power to President. Okay, but in the provision deleted in 44th Amendment Act, that means satisfaction of President is not beyond judicial review. That means if the President proclaim a financial emergency or okay, that is under judicial review. Okay, if President apply financial emergency under Article 360, it can be judicial review. Okay, this is the point. Okay, next question. Which of the following are the similarity between the Indian parliament system and British parliamentary system? Option A, 1. Collective responsibility of executive to the legislature. Question. Elective head of two state. 3. Majority party rule. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 3. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 3 only. Option D, none. Give the answer. Okay, next answer is option A, 1 and 3. That is collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature and majority party rule. We know that in our parliament system we elected indirectly the president, but in British parliament it is monarchical. Okay. Okay, here is the explanation. Main feature of parliamentary government in India are majority party rule, presence of nominal and real executive. Okay, that is nominal means what? That is president. Okay, collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature. Okay, and membership of the ministry in the legislature, leadership of prime minister or CM, dissolution of lower house, that is Lok Sabha or legislative assembly. Okay, that is the feature of our Indian parliamentary system. Okay, difference देखियो, difference in between Indian parliament and British parliament. That is, in Indian parliament it is not a sovereign body, but in British parliament it is sovereign body, because Indian parliament decision can be judicial review. Okay, so that's why it is not a sovereign body. Okay, Indian state has elected head, that is republic, while British state has hereditary head. I have already told that is monarchical. Okay. So next question 3. Consider the following functionary of Niti Aayog: 1. Chairperson, 2. Vice Chairperson, 3. Ex officio member, 4. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Which of the following above are appointed by Prime Minister? Who is appointed by Prime Minister of them? Okay. A 2, 3, 4, B 1, 2, 3, C 2, 4, D 1, 3, 4. What will be answer? Remember, chairperson of Niti Aayog is the Prime Minister of India. So he will not appoint himself. So 1 will be not correct. So option B and option D will be eliminated. Okay, there will be only option A and C. Okay, we know there is some ex officio member, so option 3 will be correct. That means option A is correct answer. Okay, let's see the composition of Niti Aayog. Chairperson, the Prime Minister of India. Governing Council, that is CM of all states, CM of Union Territory, with legislature, that is Delhi and Puducherry. It will be now Jammu Kashmir. If the election will be conducted, then the legislature of the CM of Jammu Kashmir will be goes under this, and Lieutenant Governor of other Union Territory, which has no legislature. Okay, Regional Council formed to address specified issues and contingency impacting more than one state or a region, formed for a specific tenure. What the regional council? Okay, that is governing council. It's the CM and CM of state and state UT legislature and lieutenant government of other governor of other UT. Okay, and regional council means that is for specific purpose and specific tenure and by the Prime Minister. Okay, and comprise the CM of states and LT of UT for the region which is required. Okay, chaired by the chairperson of Niti Aayog or his nominee. If the Prime Minister want to chair, he will be chair. Otherwise, his nominee. Okay, special invite. That means the expertise or specialist or practitioner of relevant domain knowledge. Someone have a specialist in some in that, like economics, like politics. They can be also invited, appointed by or nominated by the Prime Minister. Okay, they are called special invitees. Okay, Niti Aayog is most question from every exam, so don't miss that topic. Okay, Niti Aayog. Okay, remind. And the full-time organization framework, it comprises, in addition to the Prime Minister as the chairperson, full-time organization. Okay, Vice Chairman appointed by Prime Minister, rank of Cabinet Ministry, members full-time, rank of Minister State, part-time member, maximum 2 from the leading university, research organization or other relevant institution. Okay, they have ex officio capacity. Okay, on the rotational basis. Ex officio member, maximum of 4 members of the Union Council of Ministry, that is ex officio member. Okay, and nominated by the Prime Minister, and CEO appointed by the Prime Minister, a fixed tenure. Okay, rank of secretary. Okay, and secretary as for necessary. Okay, so our question is chairperson, vice chairperson, ex officio member, CEO. That means chairperson will be appointed by whom? President, and after that vice chairperson or ex officio. Chairperson is the Prime Minister of India. Okay, but the Prime Minister appointed vice chairperson, ex officio member, CEO. Okay, next. Who has the right to decide whether various matters are part of the basic structure of the Constitution or not? Supreme Court, Parliament, Prime Minister, President, who will decide or who has the right to decide whether various matters are part of the basic structure of the Constitution. You know the Kesavananda Bharati case, 1973. There was a very important topics, that is basic structure, okay, of the Constitution arise. Okay, so answer is Supreme Court. Okay, Supreme Court has the power to decide what the basic structure of a constitution. Okay, in 1973, the Supreme Court ruled the case on the Bharati case that there is a basic structure of the constitution. Nobody, not even the parliament through amendment, can violate the basic structure. Okay, the parliament also did not have the power to change the basic structure. Okay, and also the code did two more things, that is firstly it is said that right to property, the dispute issue was not part of basic structure, therefore could be suitably acknowledged. Secondly, the court reserved to itself the right to decide whether the various matter are part of the basic structure or not. Okay, right to property is not under the basic structure, and also secondly decided that they will decide, or Supreme Court will decide, that the court will decide which is under basic structure or which not. Okay. Next, which of the following would fall under the definition of a state as defined in Article 12 of the Constitution? 1. Municipality. State. Definition of state. Remember that word, definition of state under Article 12. Municipality, unique identification authority of India, that is UIDAI, that is what? Aadhaar card authority. Okay, the authority who approve Aadhaar card. Okay, Niti Aayog, RBI. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 3, B 2 4, 3, C 1 2 3, D 1 2 3 4. Answer is all. Okay, municipality, UIDAI, and Niti Aayog and RBI all are under the definition of a state. Okay, the state has defined in a wider sense so as to include all its agencies. Okay, what is under the government. Okay, according to Supreme Court, even a private body or an agency working as an instrument of the state falls within the meaning of state under Article. That means if a private body is working under the government, it will also goes under or fall under the state definition. Okay. 6. Which of the following are the reason for creating union territory in India? Which of the following are the reason for creating union territory in India? Political and administrative consideration, strategic importance, the interest of tribal people, cultural distinctiveness. Okay, what is the reason for creating a union territory in India? Option A 1 2 3, option B 1 4, option C 2 3 4, option D 1 2 3 4. Answer is option D 1 2 3 4. All are the region of the creating a union territory. Okay, let's see for what region what will be created. For political and administrative consideration, Delhi and Chandigarh created under the not created under the union territory. Okay, goes under for that region. Political and administrative consideration. And Puducherry, Dadra-Nagar Haveli, and Andaman due to cultural distinctiveness. Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep due to strategic importance. Okay, and Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, and Andhra Pradesh, which later become state, they are under the special treatment and care of the backward and tribal people. That's why they are went under the UT in past. Okay, now they are already become the four state, the four union territory are already become a state later phase. Okay, next, which of the following issues can be taken up by the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC)? Issue of manual scavenging, abolition of child labor, trafficking in women and children. Select the correct answer. 1. Option A is 1 only, option B is 1 and 2, option C 1 to 3, option D 3. You choose the answer. I will wait. NHRC, Human Rights. Okay, Human Rights Commission. So definitely it is goes under the human responsibility. Manhole scavenging, that means what? In manhole, in drainage system, we use man in person, which caused too many death in India. So that is a issue also. Okay, that will be under the NHRC. Okay, child labor, this is also under the human rights, and trafficking of women and children, that also human right. So answer will C. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, there is NHRC, that is a statutory body. Okay, and under the Rights Act, Protection of a Human Right Act 1993, it will be it was become statutory body. Okay, so some various human right issues, that is abolition of bonded labor, right to food issues, protocol to convention on the right of childs, abolition of child labor, trafficking in women and children. Okay, maternal anemia and human rights. Okay, combating sexual harassment of women at the workplace, abolition of manual scavenging. Okay, Dalit issue including atrocity perpetrated on them. Okay, problem faced by denotified nomadic tribes, right of dispersion, related to issue related to right to health, is a right of person affected by HIV/AIDS. Okay, this is the region. This is the issue that goes under the National Human Rights Commission. Okay. Next, to promote equal justice and provide free legal aid to the poor, that is Article 39A of DPSP, added in which Constitutional Amendment Act? Okay. Option A, 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, 97th Constitutional Amendment 2011, 86th Constitutional 2002. Also remember the options like 42nd Constitution, that is 1976, 97th Constitution, that is 2011. It will be also asking in individual, sorry, one day exam. Okay, here also I have written Article 39A. It is also a question to promote equal justice. It will be under the match of the following like question, or it can be asked like that, to promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid to the poor, under which article? Okay, or under which part, like DPSP fundamental right, or fundamental duty, or parliament. Okay, like that. Okay, you can also, the question also itself is a question. Okay, so, or the question also itself is also answer. So read between the line, that is always the legends are said. Okay, read between the line, this is the read between line of a question. Okay, if you research a previous question just like that. Okay, answer is 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1970. In this act, the Article 39A was added. Okay, yes, I have compiled the added act in DPSP or changed, that is 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, added what? Article 39, Article 39A, Article 43A, Article 48A. Okay, Article 39 means to secure opportunity for healthy development of children. Article 39A, to promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid to the poor. Okay, and to take steps to secure participation worker in the management of industry. Article 43A. Okay, to protect the improvement of environment, to safeguard the forest and wildlife. Article 48 again. Okay, after that in 44th, 97, 86, only one added. Okay, one articles added. So if the question will arise, you can also remember like backward style. In 44 only added Article 38, to 97 only added 43, that is cooperative society. Okay, 86 to it is added Article 45, changed. Okay, I will say how you will remember. In 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, the states shall in particular strive to minimize the inequality in income and endeavor to eliminate inequality in status, facilities and opportunity, not only amongst the individual but also among the group of people residing in different area or engaged in different vocation. This is for inequality in income, okay, or eliminating inequality in status, facility, opportunity. This is the link word, okay, that is article 38 2, okay, one completed, okay. 97, we know this is just the 10 year to 12 year before, and this is very important question. Always ask article 43b for related to what, that is for cooperative society, and always ask cooperative society related to which constitutional amendment act, that is 97th constitutional amendment act 2011, okay. Next, before that 86 2002, always remember 86 2002 related to educational changes, like here is DPSP changes, what 45 changes to the states are endeavor to provide early childhood care and education for all children until the age of 6 years. 0 to 6 years they will provide early childhood care and education, that is DPSP, under DPSP. But after 6 years that will be under fundamental right, okay, right to education, article 21a, okay. This is the link, okay. And you remember 86th constitutional amendment 2002 act, okay. Next, okay, the states shall endeavor to provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Just I have speak in previous, okay. Our DPSP identify which constitutional amendment act, 42nd constitutional amendment, 44, 97, 86, answer is 86, okay. Okay, next, National Commission for Minority fall under which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Option B, Ministry of Women and Childhood Development. Option D, C, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Option D, Ministry of Minority Affairs. What will be the answer? Minority, National Commission for Minority under Ministry of Minority Affairs, okay. Don't confuse with the Social Justice and Empowerment, okay. This is the confusing part, okay. Okay, next, who among the following users are not eligible for a further office either in center or state after they cease to hold their respective office? If a person is in office, in some cases they are not eligible for further appointment, okay. Option A, CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India. Option 2, Attorney General. Option 3, Member of Union Public Service. Select the answer is option A 1 and 2, option B 1, option C 2 and 3, option D 3. Answer is right. What? 2 and 3. Here is the question, not. Just mark the word not, okay. Otherwise you will know the answer and you will wrong the answer in exam, okay. Answer is 1 only, okay. That is answer B, okay. CAG has no power to eligible for further office in center or state, okay. But Attorney General of India can be member of UPSC. He can be appointed as chairman of UPSC or chairman of any state public service commission, okay. Okay, which of the following either are envisaged as the right against exploitation in the Constitution of India? Right against exploitation, okay. Protection against arrest and detention, prohibition of employment of children in factories, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Select the correct answer using the code given. Right against exploitation, that is fundamental right, okay. Remember article 23-24. From what is the answer? Option A 1 and 3, option B 2 1 3, option C 2 1 3 only, option D 1 2 3. Answer is C 2 1 3. Okay, prohibition of employment of children in factories and prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. Okay, protection against arrest and detention, it's not under the right against exploitation. Okay, that will be under article 22. Okay. Okay, here is the answer. Okay, the article 23 prohibits the traffic in human beings, beggar, that is forced labor, or other similar form of forced labor. Okay, article 24 prohibits the employment of children below 14 years in any factory, mines, or other hazardous activities like construction or railway. Okay, and article 22 provides protection and arrest and detention. Okay, but it is under the right to freedom, that is article 19 to article 22. Okay, but article 23 24 is under the prohibition right against exploitation act. Remember that. Okay, article 23 24 right against exploitation, but right to freedom means on the article 22 is under the right to freedom. Okay, next, if any foreign territory become a part of India, then the power to specify that the people of a foreign territory shall be the citizen of India is vested in the test Election Commission of India, Supreme Court, Union Government, Parliament. What is the question? If any foreign territory become a part of India, then the power to specify that the people of a foreign territory shall be citizen of India is vested in the test. Answer is Union Government. Okay, Union Government can make them citizen or give them citizen. Okay, if any foreign territory become part of India, the government of India specify the person who among the people of the territory shall be the citizen of India. Such person becomes citizen of India from the notified date. Okay, just in our what in recent time Citizenship Act. Okay, like that. Okay. Next, the Constitution derives its authority from what? Constitutional Assembly of India, People of India, Supreme Court, and the Parliament. Answer is People of India. Okay, here that is the preamble. Okay, here in the preamble it is already clearly said that we the people of India have the solemnly resolved in the Constitution of India. That means the people of India, okay, is the authority of what? Constitution. Okay, the Constitution derives its authority from the people of India, and this is the answer. Okay, and also sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Okay, remember in this order. Okay, you can also remember like that. Sovereign, socialist, secular, it is on reverse order of alphabetical order. Okay, SEC from secular, SOC socialist, SOB sovereign. Okay, that is in reverse order. Okay, you can remember that SSS, the next DR doctor. Okay, like that, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. Okay, and secure to all citizens justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. In justice, social, economic, political. It will be also a question. Which justice will be given in our preamble? Social, economic, political. SEP. Okay, SEP, social, economic, political. There will be another question. Option D, that will be correct, wrong answer. Okay, liberty, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship. Okay, thought, expression, belief, faith, worship. It is also a question. Liberty on the ground of dash. Okay, thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality on of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all. Okay, and fraternity is assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the integrated nation. Okay, and in our Constitutional Assembly, this 26th day of November in 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Okay, this is the preamble of our Constitution. Okay, who please say in comment which word are not present in original preamble and added in which Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, written in below. Okay, from this preamble. Okay, comment it. Which word added in which constitutional amendment act? Okay. If the President of India exercises his power as provided under the Article 359 of the Constitution, then he may extend national emergency only to few parts of the country and not the entire country. Okay. The power of High Court are subsumed by Supreme Court. The President can promulgate ordinance for any state. The President is empowered to suspend the enforcement of some fundamental right. Answer is D. The President is empowered to suspend the enforcement of some fundamental right. Okay, he has power to suspend some fundamental, not all, some. Okay, here is the option A. There is not the enter. Yes, President is the for all the countries, so why not the entire country? Okay, here is the what not. It will be a dangerous word, so you can eliminate like that. Okay, next. That's for it. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will try my best to resolve the solution problem. Okay, you can, if you like the video, you can like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, I hope. And you can follow me on Telegram for this PPT. Okay, like I always said, the future depends on what you do today. Stay happy, be happy, keep learning. Okay, thank you.